Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe to Grill. California just got more awesome. Do you know why?
Why?
Mr. Grill came out to see me.
Oh, sure.
That's pretty great. So we are going to do smoked pasta. We're doing spaghetti. We're doing it on the Bighorn today. Follow along. So first things first, we got our smoker turned up to 350 degrees. That's what we're going to be putting this thing on at. Let's check out the ingredients. First thing you need is an aluminum pan. We're going to spray that down with Pam. We're going to take our Kirkland brand organic spaghetti noodles. We've got Kirkland brand marinara spaghetti sauce. We've got a couple of bags. These are the Walmart home style meatballs. We're going to use those in here today too.
I like those.
We've got a little bit of garlic we're going to mix in with our sauce. We're going to add a jar of water to that sauce. Not the whole thing, just a jar's worth. And last but not least, we're going to use this prime steak and brisket rub. We're going to mix that in with the sauce. Guys, trust me on this. Everybody's going to be asking you, what's your secret recipe for your spaghetti sauce? First things first, spray the pan down.
Beautiful.
Boom. Jar sauce.
Woo! Oh boy.
Now fill that jar up with water. Give it a good shake. Make sure that lid's on there tight. And that's going to go in here too.
Before you do the pasta?
Oh yeah. You want this all together here. We're going to shake about a tablespoon-ish into there. Add our seasoning. Same thing, about a tablespoon. Whatever your heart desires. And if you guys don't like this, if you got another favorite rub, try it in your spaghetti sauce and give it a stir. You guys got two options here. You can go full length or you can cut them in half. I'm too dangerous to try and cut them in half out here in the wild, so I'm going to go full length right into that pan.
Oh yeah.
Right? Look at that.
That is crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy. And you're just gonna work that down. Work it. Make sure you get them all coated in that sauce. You just want to make sure. Yeah, this will be just.
Everywhere.
That's fine. That's fine. It's got places to be.
Well, and something that we learned from the Instant Pot is separating your pasta is key, because you will end up with it all smooshed together and it won't cook right.
Yes. We're gonna add these meatballs in right on the top. Beautiful. We're going to come back in 45 minutes and check that. It'll be just about done. Alright, well, it's been 45 minutes. You guys got to check this out. It's not quite done yet, but it's almost there. Look at this. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah. A few more minutes, that sauce will soak right up into those noodles. Oh yeah. Well, while we're waiting for that to happen, we're going to throw these garlic knots on. Well, it's a good thing Mr. Grill came with, because she said, let's put some cheese on it. So the last 5 minutes here, I've stirred this one more time. Look at how good that is. It's soaked up most of that sauce. We got a little bit in the corners here. This is going to be great. We're going to throw some mozzarella cheese over the top of this, guys.
Oh, yeah.
About 5 more minutes, we're pulling this off. Alright, guys, you could wait for it to brown, but our cheese is melted. And we're going to dig in. We're going to pull the whole thing in here, but I got to try.
Alright. That looks so good.
Oh yeah, it's going to be great. That's all I need for the taste test here. Alright, Tom, as soon as this thing airs, I'm sending it to you. This is going to be your new favorite, buddy, I swear. Yeah, that is a winner. You guys, easiest spaghetti you'll ever make in your life. If you don't have a smoker, throw it in your oven, do the same thing. Man, this is good. Thanks for coming with us to make spaghetti on the smoker. here in California on Coupe de Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment, it helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this with us, they're here.
Yes.
They're over here. They're right here.